Hey guys, what's up? Today we are back at Twin Oaks at the Lloyd Center in Portland, and we are hoping for a great day. So let's just see how it goes.
And we have PokeParents PDX already looking for 10s in our case. Unfortunately, we don't have very many, so he might be a little disappointed. You see this whole row, he said. How are you doing, man?
How are you guys doing?
Good, good. Welcome in.
Do you guys have any baby shinies?
Yeah, they would be in the binder.
Oh, sweet.
We picked up quite a few of them. Baby shinies. Oh. Oh, okay. I mean, yeah. I mean, that's not bad. If you wanted it.
So we're at $7 there. We got baby shinies going out.
Yeah, I was here like 2 weeks ago, and no one had any. It was like the worst experience ever.
Oh no.
I felt like a beggar going from like table to table being like baby shinies.
I need the baby shinies. The co-op? Got it. Thank you.
I made a 10. Thank you so much. So good.
You too. Some Eevees.
Alright. Eevee going out there.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you, thank you.
This one?
Taking that one, okay. So we got these two. Got a little straight trade coming in. First thing in the morning here, we got the two 151 Charmander and Charmeleon. And we are trading for Iron Valiant, Mega Rayquaza, Celebrations, Reshiram, Charizard V promo, and the Briar. Straight across. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you, man.
And you wanted that. What are you trying to trade me?
I was thinking this for 20 or just do cash, take cash, but not at one charge.
Well, last week I sold that for 85, so like that would be 105. So probably not. 'Cause I don't really do Japanese too much, and I know they're going down a little bit. But I can take a look at these maybe. Yeah, I'll probably have to pass on the Japanese box, unfortunately. Right here, right now.
Okay, right now.
I'll do 110 cash.
But no.
Yeah, that works. Yep, early deal here. We only have a few of these left, but we got our Final Fantasy Omega boosters going out for 110 cash.
I just picked up.
There we go. Is it Junrei?
Yeah, June.
Junrei, thank you again, man. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You guys are trades or?
I can take a look, yeah. Is there something you're interested in?
Probably Zoroark.
Zoroark, okay.
Yeah.
The SIR?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I can take a look. Depends what you got. Oh, Jesus, what is it? What am I looking at?
Oh my gosh, you have it. So this is like a starter trainer thing. It's an Eevee and Pikachu trainer thing. It was what, 2014, 13, 14, stuff like that?
Probably from the card shop a while back.
$30. And how much do you want for it? You know what it's valued at?
Don't drop it.
We're reducing the value by the minute here. You know how much you want for this? Because I really don't know how well I could move it or what I would do with it. So like, it really depends what you're looking for, I guess, in it.
I guess just trade.
But like value, like how much do you want? Like how much value do? Because this is $60, right?
Yeah.
And you bought this at 30 maybe. I don't know what your price is. So like, how much do you want to get out of it? I guess.
Probably 100 or 100.
That's 100. Is there anything else you want potentially?
I'll take the Zoroark and Business Adventure. And then
10.
pay the difference.
So any of the prices range between like 100 to 130, 140, and we're at 110 there. You think you could throw me 20? You want to do that? I'm down to do it because it's so cool. An interesting little trade here. So we are trading out the N Zoroark and Ethan's Adventure from DR. And we're getting in a special little collection box, a Pikachu and Eevee Pokeball collection for this, and $20 on top. Elvis, thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Fun deal. Appreciate it. Yeah.
I am taking back control. Hey,
I will take one of the booster bundles from Justin Rival.
Justin Rival, 45. All right. 40? Yeah. All right. All right. There we are. And out of 40. Perfect. $1. $1. The passing of the torch.
Andy, $1. Thank you. What up, man? How's it going?
Good. Are you interested in these matches? I figured I'd just bring them around. Not crazy.
You already had a group shot, right? The Jasmine. Trade or sell or what? Whatever.
Yeah.
26. What you want? You want anything? Do I have anything that you want? I feel like you guys got way better stuff, man.
And what do you guys do for trades?
80%, but I'd give you a little more. Because it would be like 20. I'd give you between 20 and 25, whatever you see.
Okay, cool. Kind of like that Venusaur, but I don't want to break up their extreme.
I think I have 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be cool. So then,
And like a cash difference or something?
yeah, I got the cash difference.
Yeah, 53, so pretty close. But if we look at the card, I give you 23 here because it's 26. So 53, 23, throw me 30. Go with that. So we got Pedro from Full Circle Collectibles picking up our Venusaur from 151, and in exchange we're getting Jasmine's Gaze and 30 on top. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Brother. Appreciate it.
Yeah, have a good one.
Have a good one, guys.
Hello. You're back. Welcome back.
I also never showed you my cards, right?
I don't think so. Got some Gods, Zapdos, Rare Candies. Well, let's take a look at these. And you just want cash, no trades or anything like that?
I'm trying to buy a car. That's a big piece.
Trying to buy a car? Yeah, that's fair. Someone sold the collection to us because they were trying to buy a truck, so.
Oh, a market price.
Yeah, market price for those, so 90, 65, 110. And you wanted 75, so 198. I give you 200.
For those 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sound good to you?
Sure.
Okay. All right, we're picking up some cards real quick, just buying them. We got the Gods here, Dialga and Arceus, and we're also picking up a Glaceon V for 200 cash. So we got 100 here, Jeremiah, and then I sent you 100 cash. Let me know if you get that.
Awesome.
Cool. Thank you again, Jeremiah. Appreciate it. Hello. Hi.
Big into energy, is it still sealed?
Is this still sealed? Yep. I don't know what it is. Blind box. Our last one.
Some people bring them and they have.
They see the tags and stuff. Yeah. No, I don't do that.
I'll get it. It's my
Okay.
first one.
Yeah. It's our last one.
It feels like it's fake.
We got our last Laboo going out.
But yeah, I'm gonna dye it like a dark emerald green.
Oh, you're gonna dye them?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
so
cool.
you do the seam rip, you take
Yeah.
out the stuffing and do the whole, like put latex on the face and the hands and stuff. So
That's pretty
we'll
cool.
see. It could go horribly wrong, and then that way I have one.
And then a backup one. Thank you so much.
Thank
Appreciate
you so
it.
much.
Yeah.
This is exciting.
What's up, man? You know how much you want?
Not 100% sure.
Did you pull it?
Yeah.
Nice. Just now?
No.
So we usually just do TCG Player. Are you familiar with TCG Player?
Yeah.
So I'm seeing it's in good condition, pretty sure, because you pulled it and just put it in a sleeve, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so it's about 31. I think that's what you said about. With 31, we usually do 70%, so 20 bucks if you wanted. About 22.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Just buying a Deoxys VMAX, not the V-Star. That was mistaken earlier for 22 bucks. 20, 21, 22. There you go, man.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good day.
Hi. Taking those?
Yeah.
What do we got here? Some cool stuff. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 bucks. Out of 20. 1, 2, 3, 10. There you are.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Great.
Appreciate it. How are we feeling?
Good. I think I'm gonna get one of the binders.
Sounds
Sorry.
good. Yeah.
Gotta go take care of the wife there real quick.
Can I have the whole binder?
Could you make me a deal if I got one of those, a poster, and an Eevee pouch?
Oh yeah, let's figure it out. Let's see. So one of these, 50. Do 135?
You
Yeah.
trade it all, or?
I can take a look, yeah. And usually 10s for the most part. That's pretty cool though. July 12th. So it's this one's selling, I guess. It's a little on the low end. So I would probably value this at like $40 and then add that to the trade. So it'd be like 80% of that basically. If you wanted to trade it, I don't know. So it'd be $40 value. So I'd give you like 30 bucks basically. So that would put us at 105 cash on top. Yeah, that's fine.
That leaves me $10 to spend.
Yeah, for sure. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, cool. You mind if I show the camera real quick here? Doing a little trade. Bunch of prismatic stuff. We got the poster, we got the Eevee pouch, and we got the binder. We're taking in a Charizard Japanese and a 10, just the full art, and 100 bucks on top.
Awesome.
There you go.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, there's double fusion strike in there. All right. Yep. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I think we got 2 of them, and then I got some sleeves as well.
I'll just take one of these.
You want the sleeves? Yeah. We got one Fusion Strike sleeve going out. Boom, Angel.
Sweet. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Good luck. Or hold it till it goes to 100. I don't care. Whatever you want to do.
I kind of want to rip it here.
Yeah, let's see it. Oh, God. I always get freaked out when people are opening. It's like, okay, what are we going to get here? Is it the Gengar?
You never know, right?
Oh, God.
4 to the back.
4 to the back?
Or 4 from the back to the front.
Not including the code card, though, right?
Not including the code card.
Dark Energy, Dunsparce, item, code card.
Is that normally?
Growlithe. Totodile, Reverse Skarmory. Ah, yeah. Fusion Strike, man.
I know. You know, it's what you expect, but it's the point of it.
How much would you sell for the 4 of this?
4? Let me find out here. If you want the 4, I can do 65.
63?
65.
65? Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah. Alright, we got a little deal for some Kanto tins here. We don't have the Charmander, unfortunately, but we're setting out the Bulbasaur, the Eevee, the Pikachu, and the Squirrel for 65 bucks. There we go, Anthony. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Good luck on the Charmander hunt.
Thank you.
Is it all these?
No, it's not.
No.
Oh, is that
this
okay?
stack
These
in
are
my
all yours. I was
hand.
gonna say,
Those
I
are all
don't remember
his.
taking that many.
So we're doing a deal here with our good friend Brandon, where he is picking up the big Charizard. And then we are taking in 40 buckaroos and a lot of cards. A lot of cards. So a lot of new things. This one though is going home with me.
That's probably the best one in the stack.
Thank you, Brandon.
Goddamn Mimikyu's half the price. We're not gonna make any money back at this point. We're keeping too many cards. That's the problem with this, man. It's like, yeah, we're a vendor, we're trying to make money, but then we keep everything for the PC.
Yeah.
Doing a trade with Danny over here at the end. We have a couple cards going out. I'm regretting cutting my nails right now. There we go. So we have Iron Leaves EX and Airy going out and $10 going to him. And we're taking in a Superior V.
What's happening? You don't play chance?
Nidoking. No, we sold the DR one a while ago.
Where's the cash?
Yeah. It's a 10, right?
Yep.
There you go. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you.
Where's that go?
A little quick pickup, 10 bucks. If you wanted to trade this, I would do that. So I'm giving you $5 more essentially, because I have 2 of these, I think, so I'd be willing to part with one. Yeah.
You get more in trade than you do.
Yep. Yeah, typically if you go to a vendor, they'll give you roughly 80%. If it's a lower card, they might go to like 70-ish. And cash-wise, same thing, 60, 70, 80%, depending on like how big it is. Yeah. You take a look here, which one you want.
Is that a hair up in the top?
we have some cats, so
I was gonna go, it looks like, I don't think it's a scratch. It looks like it's a hair.
it is.
Probably a hair, like based on her cat, yeah.
It's gone now.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
in there.
What's your guys'
Cool.
channel name?
We got our brand here is Two Tails TCG. We got Instagram, we got YouTube, and those are our 2 cats. We got a little trade going on here. We're taking in the Charmeleon from 151 that we sold earlier, and we're setting out a Latios because we got a couple of them. There you go. Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. All right, guys, we're wrapping things up here at Twin Oaks. It's about 4:15. Crowd's dying down a bit, but you know, overall, decent day. Always fun, again, to do these shows at Twin Oaks. We won't be doing a show next week, but hopefully back again at the end of the month. And we're looking forward to swinging by front row next week and maybe doing a vlog for you guys. So appreciate it, and see y'all next time. Bye.